Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the gotv Kenya customer care representative's number. So if you are in Kenya and you want to activate a new gotv decoder, or you want to call gotv customer care for them to help you out to solve any difficulties that you're having on your gotv, or you want to just make an inquiries about the gotv products and services, the number will be highlighted on your screen shortly. But if it's about any products and services that you want to make an inquiry, they will not ask you for the IUC number or the smart card number. If it's anything related to your gotv decoder, they're going to ask you for the gotv IUC number or the smart card number, which will enable them to help you out solve any problem related to your gotv decoder. So before calling them, you have to get to know your IUC number before you proceed calling them. So they normally place some stickers at the back of your decoder, gotv decoder, that have the IUC number or the serial number or the smart card number of your gotv. So you can check it, the sticker at the back of your decoder. If it has faded off or there is no sticker over there, you pick up your remote, your gotv remote, you press on the green button, which is the gotv logo, and it's going to take you to the gotv menu. Use the arrow top and down keys and then look for information central. So you find information center and then you press OK on it. And on this page, on the first on the list, as you can see, you have the IUC number over there. So that's what they're gonna request for them to help you out solve any problem that you are having on your gotv decoder. And if you have the DSTV Kenya number, it's the same as the gotv number. gotv and DSTV are part of multi-choice, so if you have the DSTV number, you don't have to worry about getting this additional gotv number. It's the same number that you need to contact them for help. And you need to have enough airtime before calling them for help. They're going to deduct at a normal calling rate. And they don't normally work on weekends, usually on Sundays. So if you are likely to call them on Sundays, probably you'll not get them for them to help you out on any problem that you're having on your gotv decoder. That's it. If this video has been helpful, you have to do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.